Hi guys, so today we have quite a rather interesting topic to speak about, and that's on the movie The Justice League. And Justice League, the movie is divided into two parts. I think most of y'all might know this by now because there are rumors and so many things going on about the Justice League that's well on the internet. So the first Justice League Part 1 movie will be in 2017, and that's actually a year from now. So actually here in this video we're really not going to talk about the movies because what we found about the movies is not really much to talk about, and I'm very sure even if we do talk about it, it's probably things y'all have already heard, so it's not really anything new. So actually I'm just in this video I'm going to talk about my thoughts on Justice League, the cartoon, and so many other things. So now the Justice League, when I grew up, it was it was watched by so many children, and like when I was small, I used to remember Superman, Batman, Wonder Woman, Green Lantern, and all that, and it was at that point a cartoon. So we were like, okay, if it was a cartoon, just imagine if it would be a reality. So as things were going, as life just went on, boom, now so many Justice League heroes are getting their separate movies, and now we sort of know the physical element and the human element of the DC characters that we all know and love in the Justice League team. So it was to actually think about Justice League getting their own movie, it being divided into two parts and all. It's actually quite cool, and it's amazing to actually see them all get into one team and operate as a team like in the cartoons. So the one thing, of course, though, we really don't know whether it will end in a flop or whether they'll do it right, because Batman v Superman was the first movie that sort of initiated the Justice League initiated the movies of the Justice League and sort of gave us an idea on how superheroes would get together with each other and work around. But according to what social media says, I don't think Batman v Superman really did well. So again, we'll just give them another chance to see how Justice League pulls off being together. But in this case, there will be a lot of other heroes too teaming up, so it will be really nice to see how they all team up to fight. We really don't know the bad guys, but it'll just be nice to see them like what we used to watch in the cartoons. Okay, so guys, there you have it. In this video we spoke about Justice League, and it's really not much, I know, but hopefully we'll make other videos when we gather new information. So guys, also we have launched our Instagram account, so don't forget to follow us on Instagram, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. So guys, we'll be seeing you in the next video.